Well folks, here we are. Beautiful looking day. Let's get right out on the yak and get some fishing done. Hopefully we'll get some nice pickerel, bass, crappie, perch, whatever bites. Let's get out there. There we go, guys. We got something. Just stop and go retrieve. It's a bass. Nice. Awesome. Get in here. There we go. Stop and go retrieve on the good old jerk bait. Decent bass here, guys. Nice little chunk bass on the Guggen Squad jerk bait there. Beautiful. There he goes. If I can get my lure out of the net here, I can show you guys more what I'm using. Alright guys, here's a little bit better look at what we're using. I cannot remember what model this is, but I know it's a Guggen Squad jerk bait here. Just simple little chartreuse, shad colored jerk bait. Got a nice rattle to it. I think it's it does float here, but it kind of suspends in the water, which is perfect for these slow moving fish here in this transition between winter and spring. Oh, little swirl right there. Might entice something. Giving it a couple rips and then just letting it sit there. Kind of suspends. Gets these fish's attention, and then give it a couple rips and that really gets them going, I guess. I definitely think there's going to be some fish down here in this corner, because that's where the wind's blowing all the bait fish to, I would assume. So keep throwing this around a little bit, see if we can get anything. Can definitely see a big bass or pickerel just slamming this thing. Try to stay on this piece of structure here, keep us from blowing around. All right, no luck on that baby bull shad, so we're gonna try this little gold Yamamoto jerk bait. I think this thing might be the gas, guys. Oh yeah, it's over, guys. This is gonna be it. Starting to rain harder though, of course. Oh, it suspends. Oh my gosh. This isn't gonna be fair to the fish. First cast. Yeah, this thing is gonna be mean. Little baby. Take off my gloves here so I don't seem like a doofus handling this thing. Well, I told you guys that thing looked good. Not a big fish, but you know, bite on the first cast, can't go wrong. See you later. Can't cast it all that far, but I don't know if I'm gonna need to. Between the action on this, the color, and the suspending capabilities, I think they're gonna be slamming this a lot. I think we just want to reel it nice and slow. Stop it, give it a couple little jerks. There's another one. What is that? Is that a... Oh, guys, look at this. Look at that. A slab crappie. Slab crappie right here. Beautiful. Nice. That is awesome to catch. I am happy about that. Look at that thing. Let's see if we can get him unstuck here. There we go. Let's go, guys. Look at that beauty. Whew. Barely hooked here. Look at that. Came right out. A beautiful, beautiful crappie. Whew. Gotta be pushing 12 inches right there, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys, I'm gonna let him go here, but slab. Gotta be probably 11, maybe 12 inches. Beautiful crappie right there. Let's let him go. See you later. Whew. That one feels good. We found the bait, guys. We found the bait. All right, move down here a little bit. Gonna throw around some sticks. See if there's any big crappie on that, or bass, whatever. There's some. What do we got here? Oh, dude, this is decent. It's staying down. It's staying down. It's, dude, this is nice, whatever it is. Yeah, come here, come here. It's pull and drag. It's pull and drag. What do we got here? What do we got here? It's a pickerel. Don't break me off, please. Don't break me off, please. Come here, come here, come here. There. Oh. It's a decent pickerel. Come up here, come up here. Get there and then. Oh. Come on, guys, I'm selling. Selling. There he is, in the net. They're biting good today. Take a look at this guy. Forgot my grippers as well as my scale, but nice 22 probably right here. Bring him around here. Take a look at him. And we'll get him back in this habitat here. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful chain pickerel right there. All right, let's get this fish back in the water. Whew. Beautiful pickerel. Thanks, buddy.